Are you wondering if you can make and receive calls from your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11? So yep, I have some great news. If you actually get the version which has got a SIM card slot, you can indeed make calls on this tablet. So you see on this side of the tablet, okay, if I can get it to focus, I have the SIM card slot. So it takes regular physical nano SIM card. So you see, if I take my SIM card tool, okay, and take this out, so you see I have my SIM card inserted here. And also I have space for memory card as well, so I can even expand the storage on this tablet as well. So then, and yeah, once you have your SIM card inside, so we can, for example, go over here and dial someone and make a call. So you see we have the network basically here. If you want to manage the network settings, you can go to the settings tab, and under the connections here, so you see you have the mobile network. So when it comes to 4G or 5G, so this tablet only supports 4G network, so it doesn't have 5G modem actually, but still actually for data transfer really probably most won't need more than that. Anyway, good luck.